Once upon a time, in a colorful land, children gathered to create magical slime at home. First, gather your ingredients like glue, food coloring, and baking soda. Pour the glue into a bowl and add your favorite colors for a vibrant touch. Mix in a pinch of baking soda to help the slime stick together. Stir everything until it transforms into a gooey, stretchy slime. Knead the slime with your hands to make it smooth and ready for play. Explore adding glitter or small toys for extra fun and creativity. Your homemade slime is now ready. Play, stretch, and enjoy the magic you've created. Remember to seal it in an airtight container after use for future playtimes. Creating slime is a colorful adventure filled with imagination and joy. Now go ahead and share this wonderful activity with your friends and family. With simple ingredients and creativity, you can make endless batches of magical slime. What color slime will you create next? The choice is yours. The end of our slimy tale, but the beginning of your own colorful creations. Goodbye for now, until our next creative adventure together.